Take a ride in the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $70,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, 4-wheel drive, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.